Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Pabnasoft International Research Center. What types of company Pabnasoft? Pabnasoft is the best professional outsourcing computer training center. Web designing and web development, software design and software development, app design and app development, laptop and desktop computer servicing, desktop and laptop computer sale, desktop and laptop old computer to new desktop and laptop computer, CC camera, webcam, printer, all types of computer and laptop computer accessories, wholesale and retailer, domain and hosting server sale. Pabnasoft IRC online or offline courses, Microsoft Office course, graphics design course, Wordpress CMS course, Joomla CMS course, hardware operation course, PHP and MySQL course, ASP.NET MVC core course, Coordinator PHP framework, AutoCAD 2D course, AutoCAD 3D course, AutoCAD outsourcing course, Oracle 11G Apex course. Benefits of Pabnasoft students: 100% scholarship for poor and merit students. %90 scholarship for poor students, 50% scholarship for SSC and HSC exam students, every student will get professional certificate after complete course. One student, one computer teaching system. 100% granted online outsourcing income training. Installment payment system for poor and merit students. Online or offline method teaching system. Pabnasoft point of sale course software by Wordpress CMS. Any company can use this software for inventory management system. Admin username and password for manager, shopping or company. One subdomain will get under www.pabnasoft.com. Post software space 500 MB free. Admin or manager can insert, update and delete products. Free one barcode scanner, free one post printer, print report without cartridge. Digital report paper is very low price. Post software price only 20,000 taka. Demo link www.pabnasofts/pabnasofts/pros. Demo username demo and password demo. Anyone can log in and check demo. Code to do new computer only 10,000 taka. Processor code to do. Motherboard Sonic 31. HDD 320 GB. RAM 2 GB. Monitor Gigasonic 14 inch. Apollo power supply. Cooling fan. Casing. Keyboard. Mouse. Dual core processor, second generation new computer, only 15,000 taka. Motherboard Sonic 41. Monitor Gigasonic 17 inch. HDD 500 GB. RAM 4 GB. Apollo casing. Apollo power supply. Cooling fan. Keyboard. Mouse. Dual core new computer only 15,000 taka. Core i3 new computer only 20,000 taka. Core i3 processor second generation. Motherboard Sonic 61. Monitor Gigasonic 17 inch. HDD 500 GB. RAM 4 GB. Apollo casing. Apollo power supply. Cooling fan. Keyboard. Mouse. Scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazal, founder, CEO, owner, researcher and computer scientist of Pabnasoft, invented 3 research papers. Member of IBM 32773 and member of BCS M.Sc. Contact number 880171848965. Pabnasoft 33 second floor, Haji Islam Plaza, Hajinagar, Sharulia Damra, Dhaka 1261. Abul Fazal M.Sc @gmail.com. Abul Fazal M.Sc @pabnasoft.com. www.pabnasoft.com, www.pabnasoftwebhosting.com, www.internationaleshoppingcenter.com. Facebook, www.facebook.com/scientist Muhammad Abul Fazal. Facebook, www.facebook.com/Pabnasoft. LinkedIn, www.linkedin.com/scientist engineer Muhammad Abul Fazal. YouTube channel Scientist Engineer Muhammad Abul Fazal. YouTube channel. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel for getting free videos. Welcome to Pabnasoft International